Hello everyone, my name is Shiva and today we are going to start with the topic digestion in mouth. That's a small part of the chapter digestion and absorption. So starting with the mouth is the first part of the alimentary canal. The opening of the mouth is known as buccal cavity and this mouth is initially involved in the process of ingestion. Ingestion is the first part of the holozoic nutrition in humans. Holozoic nutrition in humans has been divided into 5 parts. The ingestion part, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. The first part, ingestion, it begins with the mouth. So, mouth is associated with two types of structures. First, we are having accessory organs that are not directly involved with the process of digestion, but anyhow affect. First is the tongue and second are the multiple structures, we call them as teeth, and other are the salivary glands. Humans show 3 pairs of salivary glands that we will be discussing later. 3 pairs of salivary glands that we will be discussing later. But first, let us start with the tongue. Human tongue is a muscular organ made up of skeletal muscles, at the base of the tongue there is presence of a bone, we call it as hyoid bone. Hyoid bone is a U-shaped bone and there are structures that are associated with tongue that are sensory in nature and are involved in the process of tasting of food we call them as taste buds. Taste buds are of 3 types in humans, but actually are of 4 types. So, taste buds can be filiform, fungiform, foliate and circumvallate. Humans do not show presence of foliate taste buds. Now, other than that, this tongue, it is involved in the movement of food. Now, why do we want to move the food in our mouth? For the process of mastication. Never get confused between the word mastication and chewing. Chewing simply means when you are chewing, cutting something. Mastication means chewing and at the same time combining it with the fluids present in the mouth, that is the saliva. So, mastication obviously is done by the structures called as teeth. Another thing, the taste buds that are present on the tongue, they are involved in the process of tasting of food. As I told you, the taste buds are sensory in nature. They are kind of chemoreceptors that justify the taste of the food that we are eating. Now, talking about the teeth. Obviously, teeth in humans, they are made up of the hardest substance present in the human body, enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance present in human body. Enamel starts degrading below the pH of 5.5. And and you should know the normal pH of our mouth is around 6.4 to 6.8. On the basis of teeth, humans have been termed as diphodont. Diphodont means those who grow teeth twice in their lifetime. The first teeth in humans, we call them as milk teeth, that we will be discussing later along with the dental formula in humans. Milk teeth are 20 in number. And second are the permanent teeth. Permanent teeth and milk teeth. Permanent teeth are 32 in number. You must have heard the term battisi. Battisi refers to the permanent teeth, and दूध के दांत नहीं गिरे. दूध के दांत are the milk teeth, right? Now, on the basis of the structure of teeth, we are also known as heterodont, because we are having different types of teeth present in us. We are having the incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors, they are for the process of cutting and biting. They look something like this. Our first 4 teeth here that we can see are the incisors. Then we have the canines. The canines, they are very predominant and long in the carnivorous animals. They are usually for separating the meat from the bones. They look something like this. We have 4 canines. Humans have 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. Now, out of those 12 molars, 4 molars that are the end molars, they grow after a while. When I'm saying after a while, I mean around the age of 18 to 21. That's why we call them as wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth, because ancient people believed that they are a mark of wisdom. One who has not grown the wisdom teeth is an immature. Nowadays, they are kind of vestigial and need to be removed because they grow for infections and everything. Next, the number of teeth that are present in the milk. Oh. Milk teeth. As I told you, milk teeth are 20 in number. So here we are having 8 incisors, 4 canines, no premolars, 8 molars. And talking about the permanent teeth, they are 32 in number, 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. Now, dental formula in humans, it is 2123 upon 2123. This is the dental formula in humans. It's like one side of the teeth, like this 2 here represents the incisors, 1 is the canine, 2 are the premolars, and here we are having the molars. That is the dental formula in humans. Now, talking about the salivary glands present. We are having 3 pairs of salivary glands. The first pair is known as parotid glands, submaxillary. Submaxillary are also known as submandibular. And third, sublingual. There is one more type of salivary gland, but that is not present in the humans. We call them as the infraorbital salivary glands. You can observe infraorbital salivary glands in cats as well as some other animals. So, these salivary glands release a secretion known as saliva, and the composition of saliva we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.